You like it?
Yeah. I want to eat it.
Okay, we will eat now.
Yes, I will eat it. I will eat this one.
You want this one?
Mm,
So guys, I have here fresh mint and fresh coriander. Gagawa tayo ng biryani today. So guys, here's our some spices. I have a chili here. I think I'm gonna use only one piece, two piece because I have kids here. They don't eat spicy. And I have this spices. I have cinnamon bark, laurel. I have star anise, black lemon, dried black lemon, star anise, and some cloves and cardamom. Cardamom pods. Where's the cardamom? Ayan, yung cardamom. And then cloves, and then what else? Cumin seeds, some cumin seeds yan, yung parang patuka ng manok. So yan yung masala, garam masala natin. Gagawa tayo ng kung powder naman, gagawin nyo same to, i-blend nyo lang to. I-blend nyo lang sa, pwede siyang i-pan roast para mag-boost lalo yung flavor. Buboost nyo yung flavor niya, pan roasted without oil, without anything, and then tsaka nyo siya i-blend all together. Then just add some garlic powder, onion powder, or some ginger powder a little, and some chili powder and some turmeric, and that's fine. So onion, yan, we have onion. We're gonna fry the onions also, one for frying and sauteing, and we have garlic, ginger garlic paste we're gonna make later on, and then syempre tomato, and we have this yogurt here. So that's all. We're gonna start. Yung rice natin naka-soak na, no? So unahin natin yung onion, i-fry natin siya. Basmati rice. So okay na yun. Soak lang natin siya sa water. Tapos i-rinse natin siya mamaya. Pwede nyo rin i-rinse na para mamaya diretso na lang. I'm gonna show you guys. Ako kasi di ko siya tinatapon pagkakat ko. Yan, you can see the roots. Yan, pag binili mo sa grocery, what I do is lang muna natin siya para bumaba lahat. I've cut this one, siguro mga 1/3, and these roots itatanim ko yan. I'm gonna show you my plants later also, or on the next video. Ayan, ito yung pot ko. May nabili kaming lupa sa labas. Lupa dito. What I do is lalagay ko lang siya siguro halfway niya, and then didiligan ko yan mamaya. So don't waste, conserve. Kung ano yung pwede nyong itanim nyo. Yan, didiligan ko siya mamaya, and then sana mabuhay siya. Because I have some tomatoes outside, I have some chilies, I have some onions. I don't throw the stems. I use them to replant again. So nakasave na ako in money, and nakatulong pa ako sa nature, di ba? So yan, didiligan ko na lang yan, and lalagay ko na siya sa labas. So mint. So same in coriander. Cut lang natin to. I'm gonna plant this one. Yan sila guys, oh. O diba? O yan yung mga natanim ko na. May eggplant, you have tomato, you have onion, and may bunga na yung isa, oh. Sili. That's what I'm telling you. Pwede nyo buhayin yung mga cut-offs nyo. Ayan o, may bulong-bungan o. Slice lang natin yung onion and then fry natin siya. Yung iba they saute first. Yung iba naman niluluto muna yung chicken, yung sauce. Yung iba naman inaano nila tag nito. Ano ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Kasi yung mga kasama ko before magkakaiba. May Indian, Sri Lankan, may Arabic. So, but sa kanila may iba-ibang recipe sila eh. Yung iba, yung pinakagusto na lutong rice ay yung Hyderabadi. Yung sabay-sabay luto sa isang pot. So here is it guys. We have our coriander, our mint, some chilies, and tomato, and we have also our fried onions. So halo-halo na tayo later. So here we have water. Mag-boil lang tayo. And just put some cinnamon, some bay leaves, star anise, pepper, cumin, cardamom pods. Yan, boil lang natin siya. Yogurt natin. If you have mustard oil, you can use also that one, mustard oil ice yan. Sa isang side. Yan, so guys, ito na yung mixture natin ng yogurt tsaka ng mga spices with ginger garlic paste. Lemon na lang yung kulang niya. And sadly, I don't have lemon here. So just add up vinegar, coriander, mint, some mint. Magtira tayo ng coriander and mint kasi natin siya pang top natin mamaya. And then we have our fried onions. Ang tomato sabay na natin. And ulitin ko guys, everybody has different own versions. Hindi porket niluto ko to ng ganito, it's the authentic. It's close to reality, yet it's almost the same. I-mix nyo lang yan. And what I have here in my room, that's what I use. Hindi na ako bumibili ng mga special outside, ng mga extra ingredients outside. So this is just a home cooked version. And remember guys, yung mga Indians, medyo food, ang tawag doon, maano sila sa food nila. For example, for us Filipinos, we eat the skin, but Indians, they don't eat the skin, they throw this one out. But for me, I'll put this one because it's my food. and the skin gives more flavor. Yan, mamarinate lang natin ito. So at this point, it's either I can cook this direct with the rice. Yun na yung magiging parang Hyderabadi style, or other curry biryani style pala, na they saute first, then tsaka nila ihalo lahat, or pwede mo rin halutuin muna yung chicken curry, parang kalabasan nito, maluluto muna siya, magiging chicken curry muna, and then iluluto na separate yung rice, and then after that half done sa rice tsaka nila pag-mix lahat. But for me, pinag-isipan ko pa yan, and then here's our spices na tira. Dinivide natin siya, yung isa nilagay natin sa rice, lagay lang natin yan. And ito, ginger garlic paste. So this is my version. But if you want to have the authentic one, I know also how to make the authentic Hyderabadi. Yung chicken natin, syempre, I'm Pinoy, I'm gonna put chicken oil. And instead of using coloring, I'm gonna use this one. And it will give more flavor. So our biryani has a Pinoy touch na. It's like a infusion. Fusion pala. Fusion of Indian and Philippine. Okay. So guys, yan yung ano natin, water natin infused with the spices na. So what I do, para hindi ako mahirapan nung kaya kung kumain ng maraming spices sa rice, discard ko lang siya. Because it's already infused with flavor. So this is enough. Then we're gonna put the rice on. So here's our rice na drain na. Okay, bandahan niyo siya. You need to cook this only halfway done. You need to cook this fully. Okay. So guys, check natin. Ayan, half done na siya. Strain na natin yan. So this is strained rice na. Medyo matigas pa siya. Pero this is perfect na to mix with the chicken curry. Okay. So here we go. Wow. Dami na siya. Chicken is half done na rin. So now we're gonna put our rice into it, over it. Let's mix some of our fresh coriander and mint fresh. And some onions, fried onions. Then I have here this chicken oil. This chicken oil, alam niyo naman in Filipino, we have infused with the atsuete. So, lagay lang tayo ng konti for the color and for the taste also. Yan, cover lang natin yan. And then we're gonna wait for like 20 minutes. So back at you guys. It's been like 5 minutes now. So ang ano ko lang po yung iba but nilagay ng halfway yung rice. Syempre po para mag-meet up sila. Half done yung chicken, half done yung rice. And then we're gonna cook this one slowly para mag ano siya, infuse yung flavor niya. But for me, I'd rather you have like bread here, dough to cover it. Talagang masala. So don't have the. I think I'm gonna put some foil here para mas marami yung steam na maipon sa loob. Just wait a minute. Ito natin ang foil. Na-cover siya. Yan. So guys, been like 20 minutes now. We're gonna check it. Oh, steam na. Ito tayo. So, ano siya. If you have butter, you can also mix with butter. Pero ako dito nahaluan. Let's check it. Wow, yan. Diba? Hindi marami yata ang nagawa ko. Hindi naman maubos to. Lagyan ba natin? I have more onion. Pang finalize natin yan. Gusto mo ng chili, malat ka. I will not cut this chili para kung sino lang gusto. So let's taste it. See? Ooh. Pinoy Biryani. Oh, wow. Gutom na ako. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Dinner na. So, this will be my, ano ba tawag pag pinaghaling
No.
You want to eat now?